Good evening, fans. I am CM Manish Gupta. If you would have seen my last GST video, we have talked about three important points. One is the GST impact on vaccine and oxygen concentrator. We have suggested some ways so that it is not going to impact the pocket of a common man. Second, we have talked about the pricing differential of vaccine between center and state. And third, we have talked about the distribution mechanism between state and center. Again, to inform you that our Apex Code has also raised this concern and asked the center to reply about the pricing differential, on which the center has replied they have placed bulk order to get the discount. So again, for the center, the Apex Code has asked why the order could not be placed on behalf of the state government to get such a discount, which is going to affect the common man. And further, it is going to be against Article 14, which is right to equality. Differential prices are going to impact the different population of the country. One is getting vaccinated at free of cost, other is paying 300 rupees, and someone is paying 1000 rupees. So it is against the right of equality. Second point जो बात किया रेज किया Apex Code ने, this is again about the distribution mechanism. सेंटर ने अपने लिए 50% कोटा फिक्स कर लिया, 50% कोटा छोड़ दिया स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड हॉस्पिटल को डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। और वहाँ पे भी कोई रैशनल नहीं है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का कि कौन सी स्टेट को कितना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मिलना है, बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट बेसिस. फर्दर, दी स्टेट्स आर लेफ्ट विद नो बार्गेनिंग पावर एज द प्राइस एंड द क्वांटिटी हैव ऑलरेडी बीन फाइनलाइज्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. Regarding their global tender to get vaccination from out of India, they are also feeling handicapped because number one, the foreign supplier are happy to deal with the center. They are not happy to deal with the state government. Further, even if they start participating, so we are going to compete with ourselves. 28 states, 8 union territories, they are competing with each other because they are participating in global tenders and quoting different prices. Third, the foreign manufacturer supplier, they are asking for the indemnity, which states are not capable to give. Ultimately, call has to be taken by the central government. Why the central government, why this foreign ministry should not take this task of participating in global tender on behalf of all the state government, on behalf of all the union territories? We are one nation. Why we are competing? Why we have been made to compete with each other? I fail to understand. And ultimately, हो क्या रहा है सर आज की डेट में? Supplier, hospital, they have got a win-win position. Hospital, they are able to pay good price. Supplier are getting good price. The person who are able to afford, they are going and getting the vaccination done. But what about common man? They are left at large. उनका कोई माँ बाप नहीं है, कोई पोषने वाला नहीं, कोई जाने वाला नहीं है सर उनका. Second, the government, this Apex Code has also raised this point. As per liberalized vaccination policy of the government, the people above 45 years are being vaccinated at free of cost, and the central government has capped a budget of 35,000 crore rupees in 2020-21. So why the people are left, people aged between 18 to 44, they are not being covered, and what is the possibility? So these are the grave concerns which have already been touched upon and raised by the Apex Code. And if I'm making a sense, then I request kindly share this video and make this as a movement. Thank you all.